Welcome back. We have a 2008 Honda Civic in the shop today. It's my friend's car, and he told me he's got a noise coming from the rear brakes. So you're going to think it needs brakes. So I already had this wheel off. We diagnosed the problem. I'm going to show you guys what it is. Here's noise when he steps on. These are drum brakes on the rear. You spin the wheel and a little noisy, a little scrubby. What happened is he bent the rear hub. His daughter was driving, hit something, bent a rim, which I found out afterwards because this rim is not new. It was a used replacement rim. So let's take a little further look. Let's give it a spin. You could see how much it moves. It's not a lot, and you wouldn't notice it at first. Take off the wheel. Need to take off the drum. There are little threaded holes in the brake drum. You could get a bolt that'll match up the thread. Put it in. Have the ratchet stay on. I had this off a week ago. Doesn't want to come off now. There it goes. Brakes are still good. They got plenty of life left on them. What's happening is when you apply brake pressure, the shoes are moving out, but the brake drum is wobbling around, and it'll cause the shoes to run back and forth on the backing plate. So that's the noise he's hearing. You spin the bearing now. It's got a little bit of roughness to it. I've heard a lot worse, but it's definitely no good. Replacement bearing. It's the hub and bearing all in one. 4 bolts in the back. I believe they are 14 millimeter. Unbolt it, and then the whole piece will come out. Bolts are in the back. 1, 2, ratchets on 1, 3, another one down over there. Unscrew the bolts, 14 millimeter, and the hub will come right out. They will be tight. I got a breaker bar on here. A smaller ratchet. I am not pulling the bolts all the way out because they are holding up the backing plate. Hear a little noise there. And there's an O-ring on here you need to reuse. The new one didn't have it on it. Make sure that's clean in here. And it is. And put the new one in. I am going to tighten this up with a small ratchet and then hit it with the torque wrench afterwards. torque spec is 47 foot-pounds. See if I can fit the wrench in here. Might be too big. There it goes. One. Not a lot of space here. I need a shorter torque wrench. There it goes. It's not going to fit. So, do the old school method. Make it tight. Put the drum on and you're done. Put the wheel on and you're all set. Let's go out for a test drive. We got our personal protection equipment on and we were ready. All right, that went well. No noise, the noise is gone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. That's a nice beard. That's awesome. I like that. How do you grow one of those, huh? Yeah, I want to grow one.